Hey guys, it's raining pretty hard out there, and I want to do a meditation on what can nature teach us about success and failure, and the real reason why most busy people fail in life. Now, do you know somebody who's living life as they're burning candles on both ends? How about if you know, like, if their life is on a freight train, and you know they're definitely on a collision course, and you kind of see already, but whatever recommendations you give them, they just not taking it. I mean, they're like focusing, making on money, being successful, getting promotion, getting recognition, and trying to be successful, right? And everything else, like, you know, relationship, like health and spirituality, those all become a distant second. They don't really care about that. Now, it seems like the busy they are, they think they're more productive they are, right? Hey, listen, I'm not here to judge them, or if that person is you, I'm not judging you at all, because honestly, I've been there and done that. There are times in my life I just went on go, 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 and I would work 12-hour days and even worked on weekends, and you can see what happened after that, right? Because I was on that freight train, and sooner or later, I crashed, I burned out. And today is actually a very good teaching lesson, because if you can see it outside right now, it is raining cats and dogs, and especially out here. I live in California, and we don't really get that much rain. And why rain is just as important as the sunny days. Hi, this is Allan Ting, TEDx speaker and #1 best-selling author, and I've been practicing Zen meditation for the last 17 years. Hey, listen, what if there's a way we can find success both at work and success at home? Is that even a possibility? And what can we learn about nature that can teach us a couple things here? Now, for most of us, we enjoy sunny days. I don't know about you. I love sunny days because I can go out and do outdoor activities. I can go mountain biking, I can go enjoy the sun, just go do a ton of fun things. Especially rainy days like this, I can't ride my motorcycle. I can't go out for a bicycle ride. I can't go for a run. I can't go out and enjoy the outdoors. But, you know, rain is just as important as the sun. A couple years ago, I lived out here in California. We had this major drought, and everybody was conserving water at the time, because frankly, we didn't have that much water left for the entire state. And everybody's on panic mode. Okay. In that moment, when we're in a drought, severe drought, then we realize how important the rain is. Now, tie this back into life. We're always on a go, 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 go mentality. We never take the time to stop and nurture ourselves, sit down, take a breath of fresh air, kind of reset our body, to nurture our body with meditation, with healthy food, with healthy thoughts, and turn off, you know, all the negative TV channels, to get all that garbage, all that junk out of that negative emotions out of our body, right? So what I'm getting at is, with this rain, do take a moment to get some downtime in your life. Downtime as if like doing some meditation. Go to a yoga retreat. Maybe even go to a silent retreat. Whatever that is for you, they kind of rejuvenate your inspiration, your soul, your energy back, so that you can come back and find both success at work and success in life and at home. So let's take a moment to do a 5-minute meditation to rejuvenate your heart, your mind, and your soul. So I'd like to invite you to do is find a nice, comfortable seating position, and go ahead and move around until you feel that you are sitting in that relaxed and comfortable position. From here, take a nice deep breath in, nice deep breath out. A fuller deep breath in, a fuller deep breath out. And the deepest breath you take in all day. When you're ready, place both hands on top of your heart like so, and feel in the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe, and take a moment to connect with your heart. perhaps even feeling your own heartbeat. And give a moment to thank your heart for this non-stop hard work of keeping you alive this 24 hours. And it's constantly beating 365 days out of the year, and for many, many years. And it just loves you unconditionally. Take a moment to connect with your heart, feeling even more rooted, more grounded. At this moment, either you can keep your eyes open or feel free to close your eyes as we go in deeper. Nice deep breath in, nice deep breath out. A fuller deep breath in, a fuller deep breath out. And the biggest breath you've taken so far. And exhale. As you continue to breathe, feel even more grounded, more rooted. And I'd like you to think about a moment in your life where you felt loved. Whether you gave love or somebody gave love to you unconditionally. Maybe it was a stranger who just smiled at you for no particular reason, because that person wanted to make you feel happy. Or it could be from your childhood. Your mom just loved you unconditionally, looking at you, smiling at you as if. So back then when you're a little baby. So whatever that is for you, take a moment to connect with that. Feeling loved. Could be yesterday, the day before yesterday, maybe a week ago, a month ago, a couple of years ago, or even when you're younger. Just take a moment to connect with your heart and connect with that somebody that you love and somebody that loved you that much. If that feels good for you, go ahead and put a big smile on your face. If that feels even better for you, put a bigger smile on your face. Whether what you feel, you always have a choice to feel love, to feel gratitude, to feel kindness. And more importantly, you can offer this kindness to yourself. Keep connecting with your heart, feeling even more grounded, more rooted. Allow this love, gratitude, and kindness energy to permeate from your heart to the rest of your body, healing every cell, every wound, and anywhere that needs loving, kindness, appreciation, peacefulness, bliss, right now. When you are ready, slowly drop your hands, open up your eyes. Guys, if you find this meditation to be useful and you practiced it with me and you feel the calming, the healing energy, give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And also comment below. Let us know about your thoughts, your experience with this meditation. And finally, if you're new to this channel, remember to hit the subscribe and notification button. Because this year I'm dedicated to making daily videos to hold you accountable with meditation, with high performance, with busy lifestyle so that we can help you get you to the next level in life and live your best year ever. Now, if I may give you a big hug, a big virtual hug for a job well done and all the hard work that you put in, because every time you do this, it's going to strengthen your love, your compassion, your kindness, and what's more important is that remember to live purposely, love passionately, and serve the world by spreading love and joy. To the light within you, to the light within me. Namaste.